Hi everyone, and welcome to this Fan Art Friday video. With Christmas around the corner, I decided to draw the Grinch from the recent film. I worked on grey paper, and for the outlining of the eyes, nose and mouth, I used a Copic Multiliner SP 0.03. Then for the colouring, I used a mixture of Copics and Prismacolor pencils. I mainly used an apple green marker, along with New Leaf and Verdigris. Then, to add texturing on top, I used Prismacolor pencils like Spring Green, Grass Green, Dark Green, and a few more. And then for any highlighting, I used a White Prismacolor and a white GellyRoll. I'll be sure to list all the supplies and the different colours I used in the description box below. I really hope you enjoy watching this time-lapse. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I had an awesome time trying to create all the different textures, layering the Copics and the Prismacolors, and also adding highlighting to stand out on top of that grey paper. And be sure to let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and also let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. If you want to see more stuff like this, then feel free to subscribe, and any likes or shares on this video, they really mean a lot to me. If you want to follow my progress and see photos before I post these videos, then please check out the links in the description box below to check out my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all soon.